Hey everyone, I wanted to make a quick video here to answer a question I've been getting quite a bit of as of late. That is, what if I don't want to use samAccountNames? What if I want to use UPNs? Or what if I want to use both? Can I do that? The answer is yes and yes. So the way that we do that, first let me cover this. If you got problems, read through this. This is helpful. I've had people that have been stuck for weeks and the answer was here. Um, but this mouse may help as well. Um, we got some variables that we loaded in the very beginning, set some parameters. We got a function. Function has a name. Then we have some commands telling the function what to do and where to do it. We got some cleanup routines. So back to our question, how do we do samAccountNames? How do we do both? So we're going to do both here. And what you do is you simply copy the function that is here already. You duplicate said function. You give functions a new name. And I'm going to give them both a name so that they're both more indicative of what they do. So we're going to get one called get samAccountNames and one called get UPNs. Now, the get samAccountNames can be left, other than the name change, can be left as it is. In fact, you could leave it the old name if you want. Just give this a unique name. But down here, everywhere we have samAccountName, we're going to change that to user principal name. And it exists in 3 places. User principal name and one more, user principal name. All right. Now with those changes, duplicating this, giving new names, modifying the actual attribute of the object that we want, the functions are ready to go. So now what we need to do is we need to update the tasks that we're telling the script to do here. So down here you want to update the names of the functions that are going to be called. In this case, because this connection request policy called CRP Stuffing samAccountNames, I want samAccountNames, so that's the function I'll call. And for UPN, so I'll call the UPN function. And other than making sure you have the right groups, right credentials, that's pretty much it for the script. So, to kind of summarize here, we duplicated the function. We gave the functions unique names. One of them is going to be looking for the samAccountName attribute. One will be looking for user principal name attribute. We're stuffing those values into 2 different connect request policies. And what it looks like over here on NPS is you have one that is pulling samAccountNames, and the other is pulling UPNs. So hopefully this helps some folks. If you have any questions, let me know.